Hello, I am Joey and I am a maker educator. I love making because it gives me joy in my life. When I finish something, that gives me fulfillment. As a maker educator also, I want to impart that joy to my students because I believe that students will have their fulfillment when they finish something through their hands. I believe that learning can be enhanced when you use your hands on it, not just through knowledge or not just through theories, but when you put your hands on work, then that's where you will be able to learn more. The highlights in VMA STEM classes usually are we have programming, we have design thinking, we have 3D modeling or CAD, and we have robotics. So these are very important courses that we offer. I'm one of the teachers in VMA and STEM department. It's really important for students to learn about technology because we are living in the future. And if students will learn about technology, this will give them advantage in the future when they enter college, when they go anywhere in the world. They have this advancement, they have this advantage because they learn about STEM and about technology here at VMA. And I believe VMA is offering these courses because VMA wants the students to really have this holistic approach in learning, not just theories, but also the application of those theories that they have learned. I encourage my students in STEM classes or STEM classes by giving them a specific problem or asking them to think about the problem. And then after we define that problem, they will also try to use their ability of critical thinking, try to think how they can solve that problem and apply those different skills that they have. Maybe they have the skills in design, maybe they have skills in handmaking, so they can put them all together. Maybe they have skills in electronics, in robotics. With a specific problem that we give them, they will be able to apply those disciplines, those skills, so that they will be able to solve the problem. I enjoy the most the process identifying the specific problem and how we can solve that. So I enjoy that because I can see the process. It's not easy, but along the process, that's where you get the learning. And also the hands-on, the prototype, when we create prototype to solve some specific problem. Because I believe in, like in design thinking, we have this ideation process. The ideation process is where we think of an idea, how we can solve a specific problem. And then when we think of that idea, we will test that idea if that's effective through prototype. And then when we create our prototype, we will see actually, students will be able to see, oh, my prototype doesn't work. So I think I need to change it. So they will have again that process. So I believe the process of learning is not just a linear, but it's actually, it can go back. So you can have your idea, you can go and prototype your idea, create your idea, and then as you test that prototype, you will go and see there are more problems. I love that process. That's what I enjoy. And I enjoy when my students are actually enjoying and finding, whoa, we solved the problem. That's really what I want. Like they're gaining that confidence because they themselves are able to solve it. I'm not the one who solve it, they are the one who solve it. I'm just there to guide them to see that they have this ability. I believe that making is fun. That is one of my core philosophy. When you make, it gives you joy. It gives you fulfillment when you finish something. I also believe that making something is fulfilling, but a life without the maker is nothing.